We are the Sports Maniacs. My name is Nico.
My name is Gianluca, and then we got Xander behind the camera. He'll be doing the next challenge with us. But first, we're going to do the Crossbar challenge, and then next, we're going to do the Woodwork challenge. Let's get right into it. So, the first challenge is the Crossbar challenge. If you don't already know what that is, it's basically you just kick the ball and try to hit the crossbar. So, we have 5 balls. We have 5 balls each, and whoever gets the most out of these 5 balls wins. That's it.
Alright.
Alright, first ball.
That was way over. Okay, 4th attempt. Last attempt. So you got
I
zero,
got 0.
0 out of 5. Alright, now it's time
Alright, now it's
for Nico.
Nico's turn.
This is my first attempt.
Good shot. Nico, you gotta hit the crossbar.
I know.
It's not woodwork yet. Go ahead, the top post or crossbar. Yeah. Hit the top. Hit the top one, Nico. Okay, you got 0 too. Okay, now it's my turn. Alright, this is my first attempt. So far, Nico and Gianluca have 0 points. If I make 1, it's over. I win. Oh my god.
Yeah, that's way low.
I know.
Get under it.
Oh my god.
Get under the ball. You're hitting it like on top. Ben.
Hey, if I make this, it goes to overtime.
Ooh, that one was close. Not sure. Alright, so we all sucked so far. We all got 0. So now we're gonna do sudden death. We each got 3 balls. Same thing.
Whoever hits the
Whoever
most
hits
wins.
Most wins, yeah. Alright, let's do it.
Okay. Okay, his first attempt.
This is my first one.
And that's way over. Oh. Last attempt. Okay, you got 0. Okay.
We all suck.
Sorry about the train. This is my first attempt. Second.
Nope.
Alright, so you got 0. So now, if Xander makes 1 shot, he wins. Alright, let's do it.
Alright, so if I make 1 more, I win.
That was close. No! No! No. Alright, now me and Nico have to do one to see who gets red-assed. Whoever hits it first gets red-assed between us 2. Now we only have 1 ball. 1 ball.
Yeah.
So, let's go. Alright, so now we're gonna do sudden death to see who gets the red-ass between me and Nico. And Xander already won, so he'll do the red-ass. So, I'll go first.
Alright. You guys absolutely suck. Alright, go Nico. Your turn.
I need to get this.
Just toe poke it. Jesus. Wrong one, Nico.
Wrong one, we're doing the woodwork next.
Alright, Gianluca's turn. Alright. Alright.
Let's go!
He has to make it now. No, you have to make it now.
Let's go!
You have to make it.
Use this ball.
Okay. He has to make this. If he misses,
don't put it on.
I'll get a red ass Nico. He misses, Me and Gianluca win. All right.
Go.
Come on, Nico. Here it is right now. It's done. Nice shot, Nico. All right.
Get ready.
Now we're going to the red ass clip. Here we go.
All right, you still got one more hit. You got one more shot. All right, let's see. See if you better hit him. Otherwise, that's just a waste. Gotta hit him.
Bend over, Nico. That sounds dirty.
Let's go. Shut up. Oh, he got him. Got him. Got him. Nico. How do you feel about that? How do you feel about that? How do you feel about that? Did that hurt? Alright, next challenge, woodwork. Alright, so now we're doing the woodwork challenge. This is basically, we have 5 balls, but it's not whoever gets the most. It's first one to hit right post, left post, and crossbar. So that's how we're doing it. Alright, so I'll go first, and then Xander will go next. Oh, it's a kid. Alright, screw that. I hit him.
Let's go.
Ooh, that's money. Hit him. Meg. Second. I'm going for the post first one.
Yeah, that's what I would do. Oh. Last attempt.
Ooh, I got 0.
Got 0.
Out of 3.
All right, that was my turn.
First attempt.
That was way off.
And it's gone.
That sucked. That's good. Ooh, just off. Go for the post. That's crossbar. So Xander got crossbar. So now he just needs to hit the 2 posts.
So now it's Nico's turn.
Now it's Nico's turn.
You got post. Nico, you gotta hit the crossbar now.
Alright, second round. I have 0. Xander has the crossbar and Nico has the right hand. Let's see if I can guess it.
First attempt. All right, you still got 0.
That was so close.
That wasn't even close at all. Okay. Now it's Nico's turn. Wait, I'm smart. I'm still.
It's your turn.
I know it's mine. Okay, so it's my turn next.
Second round, I got crossbar. First attempt, so. I got my shoe.
We gotta go to sirens. Alright, sadly we had to end the video there because the lightning sirens went off and there's about to be a big storm coming and the goals are metal so we can't be out here. So Xander came in first, Nico came in second, and I came in last. So that's the video. See you next time. Like and subscribe, hit the post notification button down below. See you next time.